Hey there, parafolks! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a job in Paralives. Finding a job is one of the most common ways for your parafolks to earn money. To find a job for your parafolk, all you need to do is use a computer or check posters around the town. For example, if you visit the town hall or the library, one of the rooms will have a computer available. Click on the computer and select Find Job. A list of job postings will then appear on the screen. Here, you'll see different job positions that your parafolk can apply for. Each job has different requirements based on the points and traits you allocated to your character. And as you can see, some jobs won't be available right away because your parafolk doesn't yet meet the requirements. These higher-level career options will gradually unlock as you improve your parafolk's work experience and develop the skills needed for those positions. And that's how to find a job in Paralives. Please do drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.